Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you like today's video, hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to our YouTube channel so you never miss a video like this, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to be doing another anime character. So this is the, I think, third to last character? Yeah. So we're going to be doing Nezuko from Demon Slayer, so if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to start with my Wet n Wild Impossible primer. I'm just going to use my fingers to apply this. And then we're going to go right into the eyes. My eyebrows, I'm going to use the LA Girl Brow Pomade. This one is in the color Soft Brown. And to apply it, I'm going to use my Morphe M158 brush, which is this one here. I'm just going to brush out the brow hairs first, and then we're going to fill them in. Now that the brows are filled in, I'm going to go right into the eyes. I'm going to use my Burts Bees eyeshadow primer to prime the eye. I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. I have no idea what brand of eyeshadow palette this is. I got it from Walmart and the lid came off. That's why I have it in this big plastic bag. But there are 104 eyeshadows in here, and we're going to use some of those shadows today. So I first am going to use a kind of like a taupe shade. So I'm going to take, let's see actually. Yeah, I'm going to take this one right here, and we're going to put this in the crease. I kind of want to bring it to the the inner corner, like by the nose and the brow. We're going to do the same thing to the other eye. So I zoomed you guys in just a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. So now we're going to take my Sephora blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the transition shade a bit. Then I'm going to take a hot pink shade, so I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm going to take the same e.l.f. crease brush that we used to apply the transition shade, and I'm just going to kind of just go right underneath where we just applied that taupe shade. And then we're going to go in the inner corner and also in the outer corner. Okay, so with my finger, I'm going to take kind of like a pink shimmery shade. So I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to use my finger and apply that right in the middle. I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend the edges. So now I'm going to take a shade kind of like, I think it's burnt orange in the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Or is it orange soda? I can't remember. I'm going to take this shade. I'm just going to apply this kind of in the transition area. So now it's time to curl my lashes. I'm going to use my Tweezer Man Rose Gold Lash Curler. I'm just going to curl the lashes. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Legit Lash Mascara. Now I need to close the mirror. Okay, so now I'm going to use my RCMA foundation palette, and the color that I'm going to be using is the first one in the palette. This is in SH1. Yeah, I'm just going to use my fingers to apply it because my beauty blender is still drying, and I think this will work. Next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal the under eye, the nose, any blemishes. Then to buff it all in, I'm going to use my Nezuko Beauty Angled Concealer Brush. I really like this brush because you can really get into the under eye area with this. It's my favorite. To set the concealer, I'm going to go in with my Midnight translucent powder. This was in, this is actually Flare Translucent. I'm just going to kind of pour it out onto my mixing palette. I'm only going to use about this much, and I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk fluffy concealer brush. I'm going to take this and conceal the under eye area. Okay, and then I'm going to take, actually this isn't the brush I wanted, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to take my e.l.f. complexion brush, and I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is the color Classic Ivory. I'm just going to set the foundation with this. I'm going to use actually my favorite bronzer. This is from Essence. This is the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. I'm going to take my Real Techniques powder brush and bronzer brush. I'm just going to bronze up the cheeks. Do the forehead as well. Then we're going to go back to the eyes. I'm going to take the pink shade that we used for the outer and inner lid. And I'm going to apply this to the lower lash line. Then I'm going to apply my Honest Beauty cream blush in the color Coral Peach. So I'm going to actually use the brush that we used to set the concealer, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It would have been really perfect for the inner part, but whatever. Okay, so I'm just going to apply, this is the QC Makeup Academy Highlighting Palette, and I'm going to use the color oomph. I'm just going to place this in the high points of the face. I'm going to take the curling and lengthening side for my Huda Beauty mascara, but I'm going to first curl the lashes again. Apply this. For lip liner, I'm going to use my NYX lip liner in the color Plum. I'm going to fill them in first. And I'm only going to fill in like the corners, and then I'm going to apply my, this is a no-name liquid lipstick that I got from Amazon, I think last year for Christmas. I think I got it, or maybe 2 years ago, I don't know. I'm going to apply that to the lips. Actually, this color we're going to apply all over the lips, not just the middle. So I'm going to let the liquid lipstick kind of dry down a little bit, and then once it's dried down, I'm going to put a lighter shade that's from the same no-name brand. I'm going to put that kind of like in the middle. I think it's dried down. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, so